Welcome students for the computer class BCom 2 semester 3 syllabus. Here we have the syllabus for computer applications 2. Now today we'll learn the first syllabus. Here is a unit 1 introduction to MS Excel. Already you may have learned the Excel, you have studied the Excel, or you may have worked with the Excel. Here we have a theory chapter for the MS Excel. It is the 2007 Excel we are learning here. So here in unit 1 we have introduction to MS Excel. Here features of MS Excel, that is we learn about the spreadsheets, how to work with spreadsheets, what is cell pointer, and you can work with the Excel sheets, how to enter the data, how to enter the formulas. Hmm. All these things we can learn here in the first unit. Next we'll go for the second unit. Here the practicals, or we can learn the functions, means ready-made formulas. We can work with the Excel. Okay, here the advantages of functions means formulas, and different types of functions are available in Excels, and ready-made templates. We can work with the charts, graphs, and macros, means ready-made tasks we can run easily. We can work with the macros, that is editing and deletion of macros, and we can learn the data sorting, filtering in the second unit. Totally we can work with the Excel package in two units. Next we'll go for the third unit, that is the DBMS, database management system. Here we can work with the data. In every field we have to store the data, edit the data, and modify the data. For example, in institutions, we can work with the data, students' data, and in firms, in any firms, we can with the employees, work with the employees' data. So we can manage the data in different fields. So here in DBMS, we have how to create the files, what are files, database files, how to create the database, what are the risks and costs and database development, how to design the database. Basically, we learn to design the database. We can learn the models. Before creating the database files, we have to create the models first. Okay, so all those things about the database, and more than that we can learn relational database implementation in third unit. Next we'll go for fourth unit, that is the MS Access. Here also we can work with the data only. In table format we can enter the data. So here we can create the database. What are the databases we can learn in the third unit, and here in fourth unit we can learn the MS Access package, that is ready-made package is to access the database files. That is, we can create the files, database files, records. We can enter the records, modify the records, and basically we can create tables, forms, queries, and reports in MS Access package. It is easy to handle the database. It is easy to operate. Next we'll go for fifth unit, that is the Management Information System, MIS. So in any firm, how to collect the data, that is regarding the information system, data processing, and what are the requirements of different levels of organization, collection of information, and desired properties of management information, and system analysis. System analyst, who is the system analyst, and what are the responsibilities of a analyst in an organization. Now we can learn in MIS, Management Information System. Okay, this is about your syllabus. And here practical subject is, that is the practical chapters are, units are MS Excel and MS Access. Okay, we have to do the practicals on these two units. So now we'll start the first unit. Here is the MS Excel. So for your syllabus, MS Excel 2007 is there. Okay, what is Excel? Excel is a program. It is an application program to create the spreadsheets. Okay, what is a spreadsheet? It is a sheet with made up of cells, grids, made up of grids. What is a uh, cell? Cell, it is a intersection of row and column. Now within Excel, what are the uses of Excel basis? So here we can organize the data and create the charts, and we can perform the calculation. Mainly these things we can do in Excel: organization of data, creation of graphical charts, that is the graphical representation of data is called the charts. In charts we can easily recognize the data, and we can perform the calculations. And Excel is a convenient program because we can create the large spreadsheets here. Here you have a very large sheet, that is spreadsheet. You can enter the data in it. Okay, and it is better to store the large amount of data. Now Excel operates like other Microsoft programs. It has many functions and shortcuts of MS programs. Here is a sample of Excel sheet. So here different types of different parts of sheets are. Here you have a taskbar, hmm, taskbar, and above the taskbar you have a sheet tabs. Here different sheets are available. In each sheet you have a millions of cells and rows and columns. And here it is a menu bar. Okay, here different types of tabs are available. Different tabs are available: home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. So you can work with different options here. And here it is, these are horizontal lines are called the rows, and the vertical lines are called the columns. And this A, B, C, D are the column names, and here the row names are 1, 2, 3 numbered here. Okay, you can navigate between these cells using the arrow keys and some shortcut keys you can use to navigate between these cells. And here it is the function button. If you click on this function button, you have different types of formulas are available. There you can click on any one formula, automatically you will get the ready-made formula to work with on your sheet. And here it is a name box. This D5 shows the cell address. So how to define the cell address? So here the column name and row name we refer as a cell address. Now how to recognize this particular cell? So here it is a cell define. So this is the deep column and fifth row. So we define this cell as a define. The cell address of this cell is define. For defining the formulas, for applying any formats, for every each and every operations we use the cell address. We refer the cell address. And here in each sheet you have that much rows and columns. So your worksheet is so much big in size. Lot of information you can store in the worksheet. Here sheet tab we can say as sheet tab. How here are some shortcuts keys to open the workbook. Now this is whole called the this whole sheet called the workbook. This workbook contains these different sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This book contains 3 sheets. Here you have a name, book name. Each document is called in our Excel is book 1, book 2, like that. Like in word processor we call document 1. Here in Excel we call it as book 1. Now here, how to open the Excel application. Go to the start menu and click on office button, and here you have a MS Office button, and on MS Office button you have different office packages. There you select the Excel option. Okay, after clicking on that the application window will open. Here different parts of the worksheet, different tabs are available like home tab. In home tab you have cut, copy, paste operations for all, text formatting, number formatting options, and here you have alignments. So like home tab you have different tabs like insert, page layout, formulas to work with the Excel application. Here it is a name box. Name box shows the current cell address. Now here active cell is, which cell it is? Column, 8th column and first row, that is A1. So here current cell address is A1. So name box always shows current cell address, that is A1. Different tabs. So as I told, tabs are home tab, insert tabs, like this. Top tabs are available and groups are there. So in these different groups you have commands. In font group you have different font options are available, like alignment group you have alignment, text alignment, number alignment, different alignments are available. Now in commands, here it is a command button like menu or a box, you can enter the information. Now here it is a working of cells. So cell, in a cell you can enter the text, formulas, numbers, you can process. You can copy the cell contents and paste it in different location. You can enter the data, delete the data and edit the data easily in Excel sheet. So you can to copy the content as usual, you can use the copy command and paste command. Select the content and copy it and paste it in another location. Keep the cursor and paste it in another location. Formatting the text is also same as you have done in MS Word. Select the content or select the text and go to the format option, and you can select any formatting styles or fonts or colors you can change of a particular text or any data. So here today we'll stop this introduction of MS Excel. So next we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.